Today we're taking a look at the Turner Hastings Cambridge freestanding bathtub. Handcrafted in South Africa by highly skilled craftsmen, the Cambridge is available in two sizes, 1740 and 1560 millimeters, making it suitable for any bathroom configuration. If you are over 6 foot in height, we recommend the 1740 option for comfortable bathing. The Titan cast material is solid throughout, so any scratches or marks can be buffed out during the bath's lifetime. Titan Cast is a non-porous, hygienic, stain and chemical resistant finish that contains high heat retention properties. With a lifetime warranty, you can be rest assured knowing these baths are covered should there be any production or material defects. Due to the Cambridge's high stone and mineral content, the 1740mm bath weighs in at a whopping 120 kilos. Therefore, some pre-planning before purchase is required to ensure your bathroom is equipped with enough structural support for the weight of the tub when it's full of water. Turner Hastings Cambridge range is also available in matching basins. This is perfect for renovators who would like a complete Hamptons or period aesthetic throughout their space. For a luxurious and timeless feel in your bathroom, the Cambridge is the perfect choice for your next bathroom renovation. We'd love to help make your next project a blue space renovation, so give us a call today. For more information and to view our complete range, visit thebluespace.com.au.